Hello everyone, I am Aditya Mehta. I completed my graduation in mechanical engineering in 2016 from GESU. After that, I rendered my services to Tata Consultancy Services, where I used to look after operations for a US based client. And after that, I moved to Germany. Currently, I am pursuing my Masters of Science in Systems Engineering for Manufacturing, with the main focus areas of collaborative supply chain and logistics management from Otto von Guericke University, Magdeburg. Firstly, I would like to present my gratitude to the whole team of GESU Samvad for giving me the opportunity and a platform to communicate with the fraternity. Personally, I had some difficulties in my past where I used to organize the events to communicate to my seniors. But with the platform, I can see a lot of potential and lot many to be explored. Since the beginning, I had a knack to explore different places in India, but after being an international student, I realized that our culture is much more diverse and deep-rooted. One of my colleagues asked me during the orientation or during the initial days of my post-graduation that how was I able to attend all the classes of each professor? And to that time, I had no answer, but if I look back, this is something to do with our culture, the kind of upbringing that we have in India, and where we are taught to respect everything and compassionate towards everyone. And since I grew up in the amalgamation of different cultures, it was kind of very easy for me to gel up with the people here in Germany, and it did not take me long to be comfortable in Germany. Talking about the future of India, I am excited and hopeful. Be it the revolution or reforms in the Digital India campaign, the Make in India, or the latest education reforms, we are soon going to be transforming into a self-sustaining nation. Our IT industry not only attracted the foreign investment from a very long time, but in these difficult times of the pandemic, they have been the backbone for the communication for the foreigners that those are doing their work on the field. When I talk about from my point of view, the India is going to be transforming into a manufacturing and production hub in the next decade, where major of the players have already established their facilities in India, attracting the youth to be a part of it. And apparently, I want to be a part of that revolution as well by transferring my knowledge for my nation. So there are many things which I miss being away. Like first and foremost is personally what I feel is the kind of warmth and the celebration that we have during our festivals in India. And not to mention the food and the delicacies are the absolute missing when you are in a different continent or in a different country. I don't know what else to say, but I just want to thank GESU Samvad once again for giving me this opportunity. And with this, I would like to conclude by wishing you all a very happy Independence Day and a good health. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.